Hello everyone, evening, afternoon, whatever the time is, your part of the world you are from. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Hear me, guys? If you can hear me, please give a thumbs up. You can see me, please give a thumbs up. Hear and see me. Yeah, audio is audible. Hear and see. Hey, good evening, Aarti. Welcome. Good evening, Abdul. Afternoon, good evening. Thank you, Aarti. Thank you for your confirmation. So, I'm sorry. Yesterday, there was some problem. Settings was not audible. Will you please confirm now? Is my voice audible? Can you hear me crystal clear? Yep. Super. Oh, fantastic. Okay. So, uh, thank you guys for showing up. Thank you for joining today's session. Uh, Today is day 2 of our Mind Mastery program. In today's session, we're going to talk about vision. So I want to thank all of you for present now, for taking time out and being part of the session. It's an amazing thing, right? That tells me you're serious about your life, you want to learn, you want to grow, and I'm excited. I'm excited to help people, and that's what I want to do with my life. That's the purpose. My purpose is helping people to understand. That's my purpose in life, right? So I'm very happy that you have joined today's session. And those of you who have not joined, those of you who are going to view this video later, thank you too. I understand some of you are going to college. This is the time, you're actually in college. I understand that. So no problem. Okay. But go through this video, listen to this video, learn from this video. Okay. All right. So let's start now. So before I start, for those of you, I see a lot of new people today. For those of you who are here for the first time, let me introduce myself very quickly. My name is Prasad Ganiraj. I'm a certified coach. I have 15 years of working in different corporates. I've worked for Microsoft. I've worked for Vodafone. I have worked for ZTE Telecom. I have worked for Oyo Rooms, right? And I have served different clients, right? And I have worked in different domains. I started my career in IT. I moved on to telecom, and then from telecom I moved on to training. And training, I moved. I was part of the training. I moved hospitality domain, right? And my last assignment I was with Oyo Weddings, regional training manager, taking care of north, west, and south. Okay, as well as customer experience for the company, right? So I have years of experience, experience through failure, experience by succeeding after a failure, right? So I have learned a lot of things. I was like most of you guys, coming from a tier two city, not knowing know, a lot of things, okay? And being the first graduate in the family, uh, the learning was not easy. The path was not easy. So I have to fail, learn, then achieve things in life. Okay. And that's what I'm sharing with you. All my learnings, which I learned through difficult ways, I'm here to present to you in a very simple, understandable way. And that's my goal. My goal is to give you understanding. Okay. Super. Now, I live in Chennai. I have a wife and two daughters, both are kids. One is 11-year-old, another one is going to be 6 this month. Okay. Um, so that's a brief introduction about me. Um, so in today's topic, that vision. What is vision, guys? Any idea? What is vision? If you know what is vision, please type what is vision for you. What do you think is vision? Let me see your chat. What is vision according to you? What do you mean by vision? Let me see your response quickly. Good evening, all of you. Yep. What is vision, guys, according to you? Let me see your chat quickly. All right. See chat coming. Okay. Rules. Okay. Um, Mechanical tool. Okay. Eye vision. Okay. Okay. Nice. All right. So let me explain. Miles Monroe, one of the greatest leadership coach, he said, "Many look, only few see." Let me repeat it. Many look, only few see. So, what is the difference between look and see? So, we're going to start with an activity. I'm going to do a small activity very quick. So, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to show you a picture. I'm going to show you a picture and I'll show it for uh, 10 seconds. I'm going to show you 4 pictures and I'm going to show it for 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, I'll hide the picture and I will ask you, what did you see? And you have to comment in the chat what you saw. Okay, are we good? I'm going to show you a picture. The rules again. I'm going to show you a picture, right? And I'll show the picture only for 30 seconds. 10 seconds, not even 30 seconds, 10 seconds. And I want you to tell me what you see in that picture. Okay? All right. Ready? This is the first picture. This is the first picture. I'm sorry. Okay, my mind map. My mind map. Oh, sorry about my mind map. I got my mind map. Okay. I'm sorry about it. I'm working on this. Just a minute. Okay. My mind map doing. Just a minute. Okay. Perfect. All right. I hope you can see it now. And I will make it, I'll zoom it also. Yeah, perfect. 30 seconds. 30 seconds. All right. So type what you saw in that picture. Quickly type what you saw in the picture. Type what you saw in the picture. Let me see a response. A triangle, a cone with the text. Okay. Okay. Vinitha, triangle with some text. A bird. Okay, Vinitha, super. A bird in the bush. Yeah. But is that what was written there, Vinitha? Vinitha got it right. A bird in the bush. Yeah, if you have not got it, guys, most of you, if you have not got it, yeah, it was a triangle, but the triangle had a text. Okay, and Vinitha has got it close. Let me show the picture again for you. Yep, showing the picture again for you. It says a bird in the bush. The has come twice. The has come twice. Vinitha got it very close. Very good, Vinitha. Yeah, but she missed one the. The has come twice. Okay, so let me quickly go to the next one. Right. So don't look, see. Most of you are looking. Vinitha got it a little close. Right. Let's do the second thing. Okay, so only 10 seconds. I'll show it only 10 seconds. What do you see? What do you see? Ready? Type what you see. Type what you saw. Type what you saw. Let me see how many of you are looking and let me see how many of you are seeing. Okay. Okay, some saw good, some saw evil. Okay. Okay, some of you have seen good and evil. Super. Let me show that again. Right? So this picture has good and then evil inside. Both. Okay. So this is actually a test, guys. You're testing whether you are able to see or you're only looking. Okay. It's actually a test of your mind and your vision. Let's go to the third one. Super. Ready for the third one? 10 seconds only. Right? Third one. Ready? Give me the answer. Type in the chat box what you see. Type in the chat box what you saw. Okay, teach, learn, teach, learn, teach, learn. Super. You got it, guys. You're getting it. And one last time. Last one. One last picture. Okay. Super. Last picture of the day. I wanted to read this, but let me give you a thing. How many I know after I want to read this thing after you read this, I'm going to give you 10 seconds. I want you to read it, and you're going to tell me whether you are able to read it without any mistake. Okay, ready? Go. Start. Sorry, sorry. Go ahead. Read it. So if you read it, then you are smart. Okay, according to this test, if you're able to read this test, then you are smart. So those of you who are thinking or have doubt whether you are smart or you're not smart, okay, if you are able to read this, then you are really a smart person. Okay, super. So if you're done, give me a yes. If you have read it completely, give me a yes. Super. So this is the test. The test is, yes, Mohan, you can read it easily because you're smart. Okay, but this is an actual test conducted by the Cambridge University to prove that even if you're making mistakes, if you're leaving spelling mistakes in a word, but if you get the first word, first letter, and the last letter right, okay, you will still read the words. Doesn't matter whether the spelling is right or wrong. If you still know, if somebody writes the first letter of the word and the last letter of the word right, okay, our brain reads the word. That's why now I told you, if you can read this with lots of spelling mistake, you're able to read it, then you're smart. Your brain is a smart brain. Okay, good, nice. And now, what is the problem? At the beginning of this test, right? When I showed the first picture, second picture, some of you got evil, some of you got good, some of you got both good and evil. Some of you, in the first picture, some of you didn't get it right. Yeah. In the third picture, you got learn, teach. Yep. But what was the problem? Why were you not able to get it right at the first and the second attempt? What was the problem? Right? You looked, but you did not see. That was a problem. You looked at the picture, but you did not see through it. You didn't see what was the underlying message or what is the message that is hidden. Yeah, you did not see, understand. You only looked, but you did not see to understand. Now, my friends, that is what problem with vision is. Now, if you have a clear eyesight, that's wonderful, that's good. But the question is, do you have a vision? Yesterday, we learned about purpose. Those of you, if you have missed yesterday's session, I request you to go back to our channel, watch that video which you missed yesterday. Yesterday, I spoke about purpose. Now, purpose is very important. That is the reason for your existence. It gives you the reason why you are here on earth, why, what you have to achieve, right? The purpose gives you that. Now, if you don't have a purpose, you will not have a vision. Yeah. So that takes us to the second point. Okay. Now, all leaders, a leader is one who knows the way. John Maxwell said this. A leader is someone who knows the way, goes the way, and shows the way. Okay, let me repeat it. A leader is someone who knows the way, okay, goes the way, and shows the way. Now, my question is, do you know your way? Do you know the way? Do you know where your life is heading? Do you know what are you doing? Do you have the picture, right? Now, is your life is like a puzzle that does not have a picture? Have you played the game of puzzle? Now, no puzzle, the card is placed on a picture. On a picture, they keep the puzzle. Imagine the puzzle card in your hands, but you don't have an image. Is your life like that? Do you feel like that? Do you feel like you don't have the picture? If you feel like you don't have the picture, then that means you don't have a vision. Okay? Any action without a vision is passing time, is time pass. So now, even if you're attending this session, what is your vision of attending this session? Why are you attending this? Yeah, you're doing something, you're doing an action, you're watching, you're answering my questions. Yeah, some of you are asking for attendance form, right? Now, for what you're asking all this question, for what you're asking attendance form, right? Do you have a purpose for asking the attendance form? Do you have a vision for the attendance form? For what are you asking the attendance form? Without listening to what I'm telling, right? So whatever your action is, action without vision is only a time pass. So you have to ask this question to yourself. You're watching the session, you're attending this session. Are you passing time, or you have a vision, and because of that vision, you're attending this session? What is the reason? Yeah? If you have a vision about your life, you have a picture in front of you, right? About what you want to do in your life. You have that in your mind. You have that in a paper. Okay. You have that, and if that picture, because of the picture, if you're attending this session, then that's great. That's wonderful. Okay. Now, if you don't have vision, don't worry. I'm here to give you the tip. I'm going to give you three things to find or to have vision. So if you don't know how to have vision, if you don't know what is a vision, you have not thought about it, this is the time. Okay, let me give you quickly. I'll give you the points. First point: how to find vision, how to have a vision. Oh, where does vision come from? First one, vision comes from you. It's on the inside of you. You don't have to search it for anywhere. You don't have to go to places to find vision. Your vision about your life, about you, is in you, on the inside of you. You cannot buy, beg, or borrow vision from somebody. It has to come from in you, from the inside of you. So think about it. Have some quiet moments. Yeah, dedicate some moment in a day for reflection, especially in the evening. In the evening, go to places which is quiet, have a pen, notepad with you, and think, reflect, see what is your desire, reflect what you want to achieve in your life, reflect on your dreams, reflect on your purpose, reflect on what you want to achieve in life. Once you do that, when you reflect quietly and keep writing whatever comes to your mind, yeah, when you do that, when you reflect, you will get answers. It will come from inside. If you're busy running, doing things, learning stuff, and you're not spending time with yourself, my friend, this is the time for you. And I'm your friend. My name is Prasad. I'm trying to help you. Take a moment, take a break, and look at your vision. Look within you, what you want to achieve with your life. Yeah. So search inside. And second point, okay, vision comes from your experience. It comes from your past experience. When I say experience, it's all about past. Experience doesn't come in the future. Experience is always in the past. Okay, so you may be 20 years old, you may be 28 years old, or 22 years old, 40 years old, 50 years old, listening to me, watching me now. Okay, whatever it is, this is what I want you to do. You don't have a vision, reflect back. See, analyze all your past experience, the experience which you enjoyed, the experience which you did not enjoy, the people whom you enjoyed, the people whom the company which you didn't enjoy. Yeah, reflect on all your experiences, the work which you enjoyed, the work which you did not enjoy. Yeah, the learning which you enjoyed, the learning which you did not enjoy. Reflect back. The lesson which added value in your life, the lesson which did not add value in your life. Reflect back. The friendship which added value in your life, the friendship which destroyed your life. Reflect back on your experience, and from your experience, draw your vision. Study your past to define future. If you want to define your future, go back and take a note on whatever things you enjoyed, and based on that, build your future. Okay, super. And third thing which I want to tell you, vision is all about building people. Okay, vision should always build others. Yesterday we talked about Steve Jobs, we talked about Bill Gates, we talked about Elon Musk, we talked about Mark Zuckerberg. All these guys, all these companies were created for people. Whatever products, whatever ideas they're implementing, it is for people, for the customers, right? So a vision should be built on others because it is people who are going to buy a product. Even if it is a dog food, dogs are not going to come to you and buy the product. People are going to come and buy the product for the dogs. You understand what I'm saying? Yeah. So when you have a vision, your vision should be out to other people. Okay. And this is what Nelson Mandela said. If your vision only serves you, it is small. If your vision is only about you, it is small. True vision reaches past what one person can accomplish, and it does more than just including others. It adds value to them. Right. So early this month, I saw some news on LinkedIn, on TV, that a company called Freshworks was listed in New York Stock Exchange. Freshworks it's a Chennai-based um, you know, what is that, SaaS company, software as a service company. And the best thing is, as it started, it got listed in New York Exchange. And the best thing, you know what the article said? All its 500 employees became crorepati, became rich overnight. Yeah, all its employees became rich overnight. How? Because the leader did not have a vision for himself. He had a vision for others. Okay? And because of that leader's vision, because it did not involve only him, it was not small, it was big because it involved everybody. And all its employees became, the 500 employees became rich. Right? So remember this 3 point, my friends. Yeah? Where does vision come from? One, from within you. Two, from your past experience. Three, when you include other people into the picture. Okay, so let's go quickly. We have only 2 minutes to go. Oh my God. So, all right. So I'm finishing now. I'm finishing now. If you are an architect, you cannot start building a project until you have finished drawing blueprint. Ask any architect, ask any builder, ask them how do they construct a building? They construct a building only after the blueprint is ready. You need to see and know the end before you start. Like Miles Monroe said, a lot of people look, only few see. I want you to see through the future. I want you to imagine, see how you want to have the future, what kind of married life you want to have, what kind of business you want to have, what kind of uh, profession you want to have, what kind of family you want to have, right? What kind of house you want to have, what kind of car you want to have. Think, see through it, see through the future. Yeah. So, my friends, that I'm closing the session on vision. So, do this activity, the 3 questions. Try find the answer for those questions, and I'm here to help you out. Tomorrow, I'm coming up with the third day session. But before I close, I want to give you an announcement, important announcement before I close. We have something amazing for you in November. Most of you are requesting this, so we thought we'll come up with this for you. Okay, and this thing we have done it based on your request. Some people are calling me and asking me about this, so we in the company we have decided we'll do this for you. All right, now this is the announcement. November, we are launching our job assistance program. Launching our job assistance program in November. Kindly hold on, please. Okay. So November, we are launching our job assistance program, And we are launching two bundles. One bundle, the AI bundle. Okay, the AI bundle. We're going to have 6 courses. I have to update it, and we're going to have soft skills, 16 soft skills, including resume, LinkedIn, mindset, 16 soft skill courses, and an AI ultimate bundle. Along with the soft skill, you will have career coaching, and I will be coaching you personally. And we have priced it as 15,000. Right, we are launching it in 50 on November. Second bundle, okay, it is embedded system design. Right, you're going to have how many courses? 2, 4, 6, 8 courses in embedded system design, along with the soft skill bundle. There are 16 courses in soft skill, and again, that also is based is 15,000. Right, so this will be launched in November. Once we launch this in November, we are planning to close all other programs which are running, because this is what people are asking us for, and we are doing this. Okay, so guys, thank you for your time. Thank you for patient with me. Expect more information about this job assistance program. If you can reach out to us, and I'll be glad to support you. All right. See you guys. Thank